Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Professor McGonagall from Harry Potter. So let's get started. To draw this awesome witch, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve to create basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across about right here and connect at the bottom. My center about right there, and then I'm going to go up. There, so just creating a big curve for her face. Then let's come back to where you started on the edge, and we're going to draw a circle. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And now that my circle's in, let's come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now that I have our eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just draw two very simple lashes, just two curves. About right there, and then let's come above her eye, say about right here in this area, and I'm going to draw a soft arc for her brow. And just go ahead and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. There, and then let's give her a smile, so about right here. Just going to draw a big curve and then cap it off. And if you want her to look old, you can come right here. We're just going to add a very slight small curve right here, lightly, right underneath her eye. And if you like, you can even add some wrinkles right here. To make her look a little bit older. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to where her eyes are, and I'll bring this up a little bit more, kind of like where her brows are. Bring this curve in. And then where her eyes are about in this area, I'm going to draw her ears. So one big curve, and then two small curves inside for some details. So same thing over here. Now to draw her hat. So I'm going to come right here where the points are, right here, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a big curve right on top. And then from there, let's bring this curve down towards the ear, and same thing over here towards the ear. And you can also draw some of her hair over here if you like, just to break up this empty space. I'm just going to come right here and just draw a curve, and one more right here and down. So now we can go ahead and draw her hat. So let's come about right here underneath her ear, and I'm going to draw a big curve that comes to about right here. So go ahead and draw this kind of oval shape and bring it up. And then we're going to come down right here and bring it right back to here. So you're just creating this oval around. Then from there, let's find, well actually, you know what? Let's draw the ornament that's in her hair first. So right in the center, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right in the center, and then create these zigzags, these pointy zigzags for these feather things in her hair, and just taper one in. And then let's find our center once again. Go straight up about, say, this much, just so I make sure that the tip of my hat is nice and centered. I'm going to come from right here, round it off, and just wobble my way down. And I want to make sure I pass this line right here where her face is and come out. So on this side, just imagine it's coming down right here. I'm going to skip a little bit of space and go right through and make sure this line is also past this line so that it makes sense that it's over her head. Okay, so then from there, if you like, you can either just connect this or you can give it that little tail that it has and just wobble your way back. Now that we're done with her head, let's draw her body. So right in the center, give her a little neck, and then we're going to give her her shoulders, come out and down. Same thing here as well, out and down. And right here, I'm going to give her a little neckline. And in this space right here, I'm just going to roughly draw the pendant that she has on her outfit. So it's just a big curve, and I'm totally simplifying it. Bring down 2 angles and then connect it with a curve at the bottom. And then inside, just draw this little oval shape inside. Then from there, imagine her armpits, so about right here and here. And we're just going to go ahead and draw 2 angle lines down. From there, we can come in here. So it's just a robe. We're just going to draw a curve on both sides. And let's bring this all the way down. So just step back and see how low you want to bring this. Okay, I think that's long enough. So say about right here. And then I'll bring this down. Just totally simplifying it and bring this down. And so right here, we're just going to go ahead and wobble across. And notice this part is shorter and comes downwards. So same thing over here, just wobble your way up. And then in between, whatever space you have left, just indication of her dress inside. And then let's bring this up. And bring this up. And then for her arms. So let's draw this one first since it's much simpler. We're just going to bring this down. Give it a little curve inwards and then about right here. I'll flare it out a little bit and then bring it in. And then right in this area, I'm just going to draw her hand, just her hand only. So thumb. And then fingers, just curve and connect. And then come right here and draw a curve in to finish off her sleeve. So on this side, let's have her holding a wand. So let's come about right here. And about right there. And go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. So just bring it to about this height, because just imagine if her hand were to come down, it would be about the same level as that one. So let's come in this area and we're going to draw her hand. So just draw a curve for thumb. And then let's come in here for another for fingers, 2 and 3, and then in this area right here, I'm going to turn my body. I'm going to draw a wand right through, right into this area. So I'm just going to make sure I find my center. So say about this much, and I'll just wobble, come down, wobble, and come down. Just so I make sure it's at the same angle. And then from there, go ahead and just connect. And let's come back to finish off the sleeve. So whatever space you have left, just go ahead and connect it right there. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Professor McGonagall here turned out and that inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.